Wow, oh, wow, very good. Look, oh, I have eye bags, oh.
What eye bags?
Like, parang when you don't sleep enough, you will get eye bags. That's why you have to
I have,
sleep. Mm.
ah, Ate, ate will not let me give me the phone.
Oh, wag mag-away. Oh,
You will not give me.
kasi do you have
Ah,
my Oh, wag mag-aaway ha. Amira and Cassie, wag mag-away.
oh, let's go play a game.
Oh, what game?
You have to make us. Cassie will make me angry. If I'm angry, I lose, and I will have a punishment from the Bicol.
Bicol.
No.
Oh, basta, ito yung
Again,
agreement. Huwag kayong mag-away. Pag di kayo nag-away, you will get baby alive. Everything na gusto nyo, I will buy. Pero pag nag-away kayo, I will not buy it na. Ha?
yeah, and you'll do a punishment.
Punishment, yes. I will bigyan ko kayo ng mga susulatin. You will write, I will not be I will be kind na. Oh. Pero wag na mag-fight. Amira, wag na mag-fight. Do not frown.
Look, look, look how did I do it?
Look.
It's different. Different.
Oh, Cassie, how do you do a frown? Oh, frown.
I cannot. Like this. I'll try to do it.
How?
We have cheese. Look. I will do something. Look.
Okay.
It's a,
Oh.
it's a You know, remember in the ate when we're watching computer,
Yeah.
ate just picture like this.
Oh. Why? Why? Why
Ate
you
do like
picture?
that.
Why you picture like this?
I don't know. And then I'm gonna do like this to you now. Look.
Oh. Ano yon? What does it mean? Baka
I don't know what that. Can you do the real one? I want to see.
the real one of what?
The one I do. I don't know if that one is the real one or the fake one. There's like that. You can see it in the TikTok.
The
Play.
one.
Can you play PKXD?
PK. Oh, bakit? Full charge na ba yung phone ni Cassie?
Yeah. My
Oh,
phone is my phone is 58.
oh. Do you want Cassie to play PKXD?
Yeah. Yeah. We have a game. We have a game for you.
Oh.
And for all of them. For me and Cassie and you. Who
Oh.
just go to the finish line first wins the ultimate prize. What?
So what price is it?
You you have to give your money to the winner.
What kind of money ba?
The real money. The one we
Okay.
have. You know I have a 5 real and 10 real.
You will make me cry. Oh. Oh, I'm crying now. Oh. Oh. Away-away ako ni Amira, oh.
I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
Yeah. How do you how do you get roller skates?
We don't know still do roller skates. Yeah.
You have to kasi
I don't
you have
I don't know what's the ultimate price. The ultimate price is I don't know. The ultimate prize is we will give the cool toys to you.
Okay.
No, no, I want baby alive.
Oh, sige.
If somebody wins, if I wins, it's mean you you will buy the baby alive.
Yeah.
If you win the first to the finish line, we will give you the cool toys what we have.
Okay. Oh,
But can Ate Tin still buy us baby alive?
yes. Regardless
Yeah, but
if I win or if you lose, I will still buy.
okay.
Mm. Oh.
Okay, let's go. Let's go
What
start the game. Let's go
what
start the game.
what
Bet,
game?
bet.
Bet.
But do not cheat. Do not cheat. I know you have a magic broom, but do not cheat.
No, that broom was it only had limited kwan. Limited lang siya.
Also,
Mm.
I have a broom.
Yeah,
I also have a broom.
I saw it earlier that you were like flying around. Oh.
I'm cheating to Ate. Let's go.
Wait,
Let's
what?
go. Let's go. Let's go start the challenge. Let's go start already.
Ano i-play natin? Yung champion
Speaking
run?
of cheat,
Yeah, but like what
what
game in yung crazy
what
run?
parkour? Ate, what parkour? The biggest parkour, the hardest one.
Crazy run?
Crazy run? No, no. I kind of want to create my
Pet
own game
parade.
right now.
Pet parade.
Ah, no, that's hard. That's hard. Stop. You said, oh, we'll be playing hard, so we're gonna play Pet Parade. No, 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 no. We're not playing Pet Parade. We're not playing in the arcade. We're not gonna do that.
Oh.
We have we will surprise you. I will surprise you. I will I kind of want to make a new game, and I'm gonna put the title. The title will be Amira, Cassandra, and Atatin Parkour.
can you create a game?
Yeah, because I just see Cassie can create a game, right? But
Are you
it
sure?
will spend your money. Yeah, it will spend your money. There's no free.
Oh.
Allah!
Oh. What happened?
Yeah,
Nahulog ang phone.
but it's not a floor. It's
Bed?
no.
No. Okay, anong real money ba yon or coins? PKXD coin.
Coins.
Coins?
PKXD coins or gems. Yeah.
Oh. Who will create the game?
Okay, let's go. Let's go start going up our parkour. I'm gonna meet you to the PKXD, okay?
Yeah, I will follow you. Okay?
Okay, bet.
Bet.
You
Okay, no
cannot.
cheating ha, no cheating.
Yeah, so bye.
Bye.